voter turnout. I can only point out that the process of voting today for me, I experienced that it was quicker. So that clearly shows that there has been some experience gained over 2 cycles of election. And I can also point out that the long queues that we had in the last exercise on the 25th of February are not here in my polling station today. But this is now a few minutes to midday. So it is possible that other people have voted since the exercise started. I have not had reports of delay in arrival of material, so therefore I'm not in a position at this time to speak about voter turnout. As far as my own experience is concerned, the process was quicker today. It took about 5 minutes or thereabouts for me to vote.
Sir, any commentation for INEC for the good arrangement?
You see, whatever happens, let us not forget that INEC is an institution peopled by our brothers and sisters who have volunteered to serve. And therefore, let us also understand that INEC is conducting elections across a large territory of 900,000 square kilometers. That's the size of the federal republic. It is diverse, it is expansive, it is a mixture of rural and urban and semi-urban territories. It is a logistic challenge, and let us continue to recognize that we need to encourage Nigerians to sign up to serve their country. Our children who are youth corpers, our relations, cousins from across Nigeria, people we know. We don't go and say it's my cousins that are in INEC. People we know across Nigeria are serving as ad hoc staff. They are in their hundreds of thousands, if not millions. Clearly, we can't have a budget to keep them permanently in employment. So the process of training and all of that also is challenging. So we must continue to, while we ask for service improvement at all times, we must continue to encourage those who volunteer to serve, so that the INEC can continue to attract much better people who offer themselves to serve. If we create a scaremongering around INEC, I wonder who then wants to offer to take the job. So that's my sense of INEC. We must ask them to improve, we must inspire them, we must encourage them. We can challenge what they do without being vicious in our challenge, without wholesale condemnation. So I was in Abidjan yesterday, and 4 ministers from West Africa who sat with me were saying they were learning from what we did in our last election, and that it was a very good election. They actually debated our elections in their cabinet meetings, and the verdict of all of them, to me, was that they felt inspired by what we did. And for those of you who don't know enough about INEC, I think you should go and check out what INEC does. The countries that INEC is consulting for, that's a brand we have built in Nigeria. In spite of its imperfections, and no human organization is imperfect, let us celebrate them when they do and challenge them to do better. Thank you.
Thank you very much. See one height. D'accord, fort.
Yes. Maybe 5 years ago.
Yes.
You know, citizen broke my.
Me? I break down?
No. You know. All the money who pay them come 1,000. 1,700.
Because I mentioned
1,700. Who break the land? Government.
Now you the government.
Now me the government. Why not government?
Wait. Let me go count now. God didn't give you power for God. Give you power. Everybody. 1, 2. For me. Since when he broke my house, he never greet me. If you give me phone, now fake. I don't say.
So you know call them. You know call up.
Give me your number.
You know call up. And you know.
Where am I going?
All these people now your people. All now your people.
All the okay.
Kaji Serikio Gaya Magana, Adamwa, Ujaoje, Shehu, Abuela, Shehu.